Hey, I'm going to show you a quick money saving tip. You ever want to learn how to save $1,000 on maintaining your Porsche? Step 1, if you need wiper blades, they're going to charge you what it says here. You can go to your local AutoZone or your Napa, and you can buy some wiper blades for maybe about 30 bucks for a set on the high side. So I just went to my friends and bought some wiper blades right here, and I'm going to install these. And that's going to be the first part of this. Now, the other part of this is, well, what about the other part where it says here like 800 or 900 bucks here? I'm going to put it up here for doing the transmission service. Well, this is a manual transmission car, so we're going to go buy some gear oil, and we'll do that next. Might not be in this video, but we'll do that, and that's how you will save $1,000 bucks. So let's get to work. So first step, you got to take the old wipers off. So we're going to flip the passenger side up, flip this cover up here, and then we're just going to take the wiper off. And I got one hand, so 1 sec. All right, off of that one. We got that one off. We got the new one here out of the box. Check the size. This one might be a little bit longer, so let's get the other one out of the box and make sure. All right, we got the other one out of the box. Looks like a perfect match. So now we will install this on the passenger side. Okay, get in. Snap. Goes a little cover. Oops. Close the cover. All right, halfway there. Now we'll take a little walk around the other side of the car to the driver's side, and we'll repeat the process. Okay, again, take this cover off, and then it should just come off, which it does. Here we go. Got the new one. And same thing, we're gonna take this cover off here. I'm gonna get my other hand. Got the cover lifted, now to install. It's on, cover down, down, down. All right, so that was $114. Took about 2 minutes. Okay, the second line item is the transmission service. So I have a manual transmission, so it just really needs gear oil change, and that's just standard gear oil you can get from Motul or many other manufacturers of gear oil. So it's not quite as straightforward as changing the engine oil on here, but it's pretty darn close. So we'll tackle that in a future episode, as I'm not doing that today, but the quoted price to get that work done was $800, including, I think we were charged $100 per quart of transmission fluid or transmission oil. And that's not how that goes. Here, I'll show some prices of what the oil costs for this. And the disposable oil, if you live in the United States, your local AutoZone will accept used oil and stuff like that. No charge, no questions asked. So I don't know, but that's coming up soon. We will tackle that probably next week.